Have you ever calculated what your business would need to stay open after a catastrophe, whether it's a fire, a hurricane, or a cyber attack? In this video, we're going to go over the very basics of how to calculate the business income your business would need in order to stay open. Now, I know this is a difficult subject for most business owners, and some business owners think that's my CPA's responsibility. And while at the bunker, we do like to involve your CPA early in this process because they know your real numbers, very basic foundation work can be done by you as the business owner to make sure that we have this number accurate. This business income is the number that determines if your business can stay open and survive a catastrophe, whether natural or man-made, like a cyber attack. Here's the reality about business income. Business income only pays what you tell it to pay. So for example, if you underestimate what it would take for your business to stay open, then you're gonna get underpaid at the time of loss. If you overestimate that number, then you're gonna be overcharged prior to the loss. You're gonna pay more insurance than what you should. This number is very detailed and it should come from you, the business owner, alongside your CPA. Think about the scenario of you being not able to run your business from its physical location and it being temporarily shut down. How much rent do you pay? What about your fixed expenses? What about your payroll? What about other costs? Costs to move and temporarily open at another location. These are all things that require a lot of money because things are happening fast and usually in a state of chaos. What about all those vendors that you have contracts with that you have to pay? Guess what? Most of them will not care that you've had a loss. You still have to pay them. So here's a very, very basic framework on calculating business income if you've never done it. Number one, you start with your net income. That's your actual profit, what's left after expenses. Number two, add your fixed costs. Think rent, salaries, utilities, anything that you would owe regardless of your doors being shut. Number three, you add your potential extra expenses. What would it take to keep your business functioning and open if you were to be shut down? That's the number that comes into this step. A temporary office, maybe you'll need to lease equipment. What if you need to pay for expedited shipping for things? This is your extra expense number. These three steps will give you a very rough number, and that's your baseline. That's where you start. Here are the three most common mistakes that business owners make when it comes to business income and calculating this figure. Number one is confusing your gross revenue with your business income. Your revenue is not what you're covering. Net income is what matters. It's net income plus your fixed cost plus extra expense. Mistake number two is using old numbers. If your business has grown, there's no doubt that the number to keep it open today is way more than what it was 2 years ago. Cost of living, inflation, your business might have changed, the operations could have changed, maybe you have some remote employees, maybe you've bought some new technology that is subscription-based. So many factors come into this. Your business changes probably quarterly. Using a number from a year or two ago is not the right move. Mistake number three, which is usually the most common and the most painful to watch, is the business owner that takes the position of, I'll figure it out when it happens. While yes, you can do that, why would you? The right time to calculate this number is now, during calm, level-headed, reasonable states of mind, instead of being under chaos and not being able to operate because your business can't stay open because you don't have the money to. I know all of this sounds overwhelming, and in South Florida, we're tired of paying for insurance, but really, preparation is key to protect what you've built and what you've put your life into, not just for yourself, but your employees. Knowing that if the worst case scenario were to happen to your business, you've already got a plan to be able to keep going. That's one thing that will be off your plate at that time. So if you're sitting there after watching this video thinking, oh my God, I'm so overwhelmed, I don't know what my number is, it's okay. You're the business owner that the bunker is here to serve. We're here to help you move your business from danger to a safe place, to help you protect what you've built. Click the link below to book a call with me, or you can also download our business income worksheet that will help guide you through these expenses and these numbers to give you that total number in order for you to be at peace. Business income isn't just another insurance we're trying to sell you. It really does give you peace of mind and flexibility to keep your doors open at the time of a loss.